Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with PeerFly detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for PeerFly. Press enter to navigate to the PeerFly website. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill out the required fields with accurate information. Provide a valid email address for future communications. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Select the option that confirms you are at least 18 years old. Review the terms and conditions, and check the box to agree. Click on the Create Account button to submit your registration. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from PeerFly. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Return to the PeerFly website and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, explore the dashboard for available offers. Take time to read the guidelines and tips provided on the site. Select an offer that interests you to begin promoting. Follow the instructions for each offer to generate your unique tracking link. Share your link through your chosen marketing channels. Monitor your progress and earnings through the dashboard. Stay updated with any announcements or changes from PeerFly. Engage with the community for tips and strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.